All right, today for your mini lesson, we're going to do your mind mapping story. So everybody close your eyes. Close your eyes. When you're listening to the story, picture what is happening in the story in your mind, because Miss Mueller is going to call out questions. This is working on your listening comprehension, okay? Everybody's eyes are closed. Ready? Your story is called Floods of Dangerous Water. Water is extremely important to every living thing. Without water, people, plants, animals, and even our planet would die. Too much water, though, can be dangerous. Many days of rain or a lot of melting snow can make rivers and lakes overflow their banks. The strong winds of a hurricane can whip ocean waves high enough to flood the shore. These pounding waves are sometimes strong enough to bend or even break large trees. When the water in rivers, lakes, or oceans gets too high and flows onto the land, it is called a flood. While floods can destroy some things, overflowing rivers might also deposit rich growing soil on the ground. People used to build cities near rivers because their healthy soil would produce good crops. But it is very risky to live too close to some rivers. When a flooding river begins to reach higher levels, the ground soaks up some of the water like a sponge. But if the ground is already wet or frozen, it can soak up much extra flood water. This means the flood water will keep rising and damage houses, cars, and people. There are several ways people can help prevent flood damage. One way is to build levees next to rivers. Levees are walls that make the sides of the river higher, so it is more difficult for the water to overflow. Another way is to make the sides of the river higher by piling bags of sand on the edge when a flood might be coming. If a flood is possible, there are things that help people in the area stay safe. People can post signs that say, "Beware! Flood area!" Television stations can flash warning messages at the bottom of people's TV screens to let people know of approaching danger. Some of these warnings might tell people the safest place to stay. Others may tell them where and when they can drive to safety. This is important information because the height of the